Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to get an autoclicker. So I have used two autoclickers. This one got kind of broken because if I open it, it just says this usually. But I just installed a new one and this is what I've got here. Yeah, this. So yeah, that's what I've got. So I'll be showing you how to actually get mine for free. So this is a free autoclicker if you didn't know. If you didn't know, guys, basically it's free. You don't have to pay for anything or anything like that. It's free. So basically, you just type in this. So basically, you type in OP auto clicker. You just type that. And then when you type that, it'll come a bunch of autoclickers, but most of them probably are paid. So this is actually what I used. It says it's only available for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and 64-bit systems. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. So basically, you just click on this. Yeah, this is my autoclicker. I'll put this link in the description below. So yeah. So what you need to do with this is basically you don't have to paste that or copy it. So what you need to do is basically press on download and yeah. So and then you just basically what I did is you press on this and then it shouldn't have any ads on it and then it'll just bring you to this page. Yeah, accept. And then what you do here is you just wait for this. And then it should come up at the bottom page on all browsers. And yeah, so see, you've got it here. Guys, you just so that's how to do it. I cancelled it because I've already got one. I don't want to install another one. So bye guys.